The House approved the 2026 fiscal spending package, allowing the government shutdown to end, fund federal housing programs, and reauthorize the National Flood Insurance Program through September 30th. It's Friday, February 6th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The federal funds enable critical housing programs to remain viable, including housing choice vouchers, fair housing programs, housing counseling, and the home investment partnerships and community development block grant programs to continue. Meanwhile, new resale inventory to hit the market since last report fell 32% to 1,364 properties from last week at a median $404,995. Coming soon properties rose again this report to 1,186 properties at a median $455,000. New contracts are down this report 35% to 1,126 properties and at a median list price of $411,500. Days before contract improved again this report to 23 days. 1,047 units sold in 37 days at 98.2% list to sold ratio at a $420,000 median sold price. Rental units dipped again this report to 3,577 units available at $2,500 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 6, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.